Sharp frost, the son of Puhuri, winter's benumbing sun. Don't freeze my nails, don't demand my toes, don't nip with frost my head, don't touch my ears, too hast enough to freeze. Many to nip with frost, without frost biting a human skin, the body of a mother's son. Be gone, free snake fields, free swamps, freeze land, the water willow nip. Attack the knots of aspen trees, cause roots of birch to ache. Bite the sapling firs, refrigerate hot stones, flat stones that are burning hot. Iron rocks and hills of steel, the widely rushing Vuoksi falls, the frightful rapids of Imatra, the margin of the northern sea, the declivities of the boundless sea, the swirling waters of Rifis, the terrific midstream broil. O Virgin Mary, Mother dear, beloved Mother compassionate, bring me a soft fur coat, fetch a hairy coat of wool, with which I'll shelter me, poor wretch, so that the sharp frost cannot bite into my stockings, cast some fire into my tatters, bits of coal, so that the sharp frost cannot bite, that the hard weather that swamps a mist over the land. It is pleasant to live in a mist, in a district wrapped in fog. If still a chantrine should ensue, let a scrap of butter, another of fat, be laid on the spot sharp frost has nipped, on the place the hard weather touched.